Hello everyone, welcome to Super Trade. I know the market is in a downtrend and most of the stocks, even the good ones, the large cap and the mid cap stocks are going down. But always remember, for a long term investor, it is always a good opportunity because eventually one thing is certain about the market. After every bad event, the market will recover. So why not buy good stocks available at a discount? Now, as far as Nifty is concerned, let's talk about the index and the broader market sentiments. So I had made a previous video and wherein I had mentioned that this particular line, that is 23,892, is the Lakshman Rekha. If it falls below this point, then there could be further selling makeup. So today Nifty broke down below this. All right, you can see here, but it eventually closed above this. Now why this point is relevant, I have spoken in the video before that, because from this same point you can see here market has reacted, Nifty has reacted several times over. Now it is to be seen tomorrow that what happens around this zone. Now till the market remains above 23,900, all right, 23,896, 901, further fall may be arrested. But if market falls below this zone tomorrow, then the next savior will be today's low, that is at this particular point, that is 23,696. If this is broken, then certainly a bearish trade can be taken, wherein either you can go for a back spread ratio, or you can go for a simple spread ratio, but minimize your exposure. It's always better to avoid the market during this uh, period of time, because if you're taking naked trades, it means only one sided trade, there'll be a lot of whipsaws. You don't know how the market is going to react. But yes, if I have to take a trade, if market bounces from here tomorrow, that is 23,701, and it goes above this, that is 23, let's say it may open gap down here and again go above this, I can take a small bullish trade only after it crosses above 93, 23,894. Till the time market is in between this range, avoid any trade. Now, as far as Bank Nifty is concerned, the situation is bad, because Bank Nifty has broken below the last point that I have spoken about in my video. It has broken below 57,153. Now, till what point Bank Nifty can fall? You see here, there is a big gap down candle has happened over here. Now, there is a chance that Bank Nifty can fall up till this point here. So, let me mark a line here. It's not certain, but there is a high probability now. It may fall to 54,475. And if this is broken, then the market has to recover from this particular point, provided the war, there is some conclusion. I mean, it comes to the war. Today, Israel has already attacked Beirut to create a buffer zone for further attacking Iran. So, it remains to be seen what will be the outcome. As far as mid-cap Nifty is concerned, mid-cap Nifty has obeyed the point that I had mentioned previously in my previous video. So it fell down below this, level, that is 12,797, but closed above this. Let me convert it to a 15-minute chart. Just like it acted, just like Nifty. So again, if mid-cap Nifty falls down below 12,796 and goes to this point, that is today's low, that is 12,681, then further selling may come. So remember, when you are entering in a bearish trade in Nifty, always let mid cap Nifty also to break below this point. If mid cap Nifty has not broken below this point and you take a bearish trade in Nifty, then there is a high risk trade. So wait for both mid cap Nifty and Nifty to break below the mark zone, and then only you can go for a bearish trade. But if suppose it touches to this point, goes up, mid cap nifty goes up, let's say it may open gap down here, it can go up to this point and again it will fall down. During that time, you will find that nifty also will largely, it will mimic the mid cap index, it may fall. During that time, you can go for a bearish trade. But if mid cap nifty and nifty open below the marked zones that I've told you in nifty as well, and then it goes above, and mid cap nifty goes above 12793 and nifty goes, after falling down, it goes above 23889, then you can initiate a bullish trade in nifty. Now, as far as why I'm concerned about the market, if you look at India VIX and you see here, India VIX, it talks about the sentiment of the market. Largely it will have inverse correlation with the market, because India VIX shows the overall OTM call and put positions made. So if there are more OTM call written, then India VIX will go up and Nifty will go down. So India VIX reached this point, that is above 22 level, in May 2025. It went above to this point on 3rd April 2025, and then back in August 2024, and then you can find it here around June 2024. So it means this particular point is also a very important point. If India VIX is remains above this point, above 23,362, then you can further expect a fall in the market. And crude plays a very, very important role. Crude today went up. Now let me show you the chart. Brent crude. All right. So it touched almost 119, 120 level. If I look at Brent crude, just hold on. You see, it reached almost 113. Now remember, crude had made an all-time high here on 7th March 2022 to the extent of 131. Now, Oman petrol minister has already said that if war goes on further 1 week, then crude can go to 150 level. If that happens, then there will be a sharp further correction and fall in Nifty. So when you're trading, please be careful. The best thing to do is buy good quality of stock which is available at a discounted rate and sit on it. All right. So I hope this helps. Please maintain a good position, meaning do not take unusual risk. Maintain good position sizing. Not too much of position sizing should be done in this market hour. Play with one lot, and that too hedge if you are trading in Nifty, Midcap Nifty or Bank Nifty. The best thing to do is go for a ratio spread wherein you go a little OTM in Nifty, and you can buy one call option and sell one call option after leaving 3 point, or let's say for example if you're buying 24,500 call option, then you can go further down means in the OTM option you can sell 24,400 or 500 call option. So 24,500 call option you can buy, and 24,600 700 call option you can sell. This way you can remain in the market. Just let me show you one thing. Let's say if I'm hedging in Nifty and if I'm making a bullish trade, select tomorrow is expiry, so go for next week option. So right now Nifty is at 24,050, so I'll go little OTM. You can take this one where open interest is very high, buy this one option, and if you're making a bullish trade, and sell, go down further, that is 550, 600. You're going down because you are going OTM. Remember, with the increasing strike price, it's OTM, and you can sell one. So in that case, what happens? Your maximum loss is around 4,000 and you have got 1:2 risk to reward. So even if it falls, Nifty falls down by 300-400 points, you lose not no more than 2,000 rupees. All right. And if you are making a bearish trade, because if Nifty breaks down below this, then further go OTM on the put side and you can buy one put option here and sell, let's say, this particular put option. So in this case, no, that's too far. It will not give you quick profit. So let's go here, buy 180 and you sell 146. So this would give you even better risk to reward. I hope this helps, but remember, you can make money only through hedging. I hope this helps. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Bye bye.